Hello, everybody. So, we were scheduled to do the industry specific for food and beverage, but unfortunately, we won't be getting into that this week because of certain personal reasons. So, I didn't want to leave you guys with nothing. So, I wanted to bring to you two work from home jobs that are hiring remote right now. Remote weekends. So we'll go ahead and get started. And we will still be doing the industry specific for food and beverages for those 5 states. It's just going to be next weekend. So make sure you tune into that. So the first company is Art of Problem Solving. So we're just going to get on down here to their jobs page. Oh, remote. Okay, so this is the part-time math coach. So, as a math coach, you will deliver as needed academic support and mentorship to students in our Pathway Scholarship Program. This is an excellent opportunity for individuals who want to work with motivated young students and contribute to the AOPS community. In this role, you will be part of a humble, hungry, and hardworking team expanding the pipeline of future STEM talent. Note this is again part time virtual. Students schedule appointments based on need and your availability. So, into more detail, as the math coach, um, you meet with elementary, middle, and high school students for one on one math coach sessions, providing homework support, engaging in discussions about math topics, and encouraging critical thinking and problem solving. After each coaching session, provide updates to the outreach team and the students' parents about their progress and summarizes learnings from the session as well as recommendations for follow up. Keep availability up to date in the booking system so that families can schedule appointments, attends and participates in professional development and coaching sessions, completes other tasks and responsibilities as assigned. So the ideal candidate must be 18 years old or older, has strong math content knowledge, ideally through the advanced high school level, has exceptional written and verbal communication skills, is detail oriented and organized, has experience teaching or tutoring students at the K-12 level. And strongly preferred, ideally with experience fostering a learning environment that is student led and encourages critical thinking, and problem solving, has an engaging, enthusiastic demeanor when working with students, has a strong interest in working with high achieving K through 12 students from diverse backgrounds, has familiarity with the AOPS curriculum is a plus, and experience with math contests is a plus. So, for each individual session, you will support enthusiastic elementary, middle, and high school students taking AOPS classes with their homework and have math conversations about their topics of interest. Then you will provide updates to the outreach team and student parents about their progress and summarizing learnings from the session as well as recommendations for follow up. So I know that that information is stated in here more than once, and that is for a reason. It's obviously so you can completely understand what it is exactly you are expected to do. So the schedule again is part-time with an anticipated commitment between 5 to 15 hours per week depending on availability. Because sessions are scheduled as needed by students and families, exact schedule and total hours may vary week to week. A small number of students schedule recurring weekly sessions. The most requested session times are weekdays between 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. part time and weekends between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. part time. Currently, the days that are most needed is for coverage on Fridays and Saturdays. Now, I had just gotten an update that they are needing people on Sundays. Sundays is a really big day for them that they need availability right now, although it doesn't state it here. Um, but to get a true understanding of what they are needing as far as their weekends, it is best that you do apply. And then, if you're selected, to discuss that with them, of course. So, an ideal candidate will be regularly available for at least 8 hours uh, per week, which in this case it would be on the weekends within the high demand time windows. And apart from that, you will be able to set and update your availability for sessions at your discretion. So the full salary range for this position is $30 per hour. That includes flexible work time, preparing for tutoring sessions, actual session time, and post-session communication with families via email. And some things you can look forward to is one, impact, the opportunity to directly help disadvantaged students thrive in a rigorous math environment. Two, culture, work and collaborate with an organization filled with builders and lifelong learners who strive to discover, inspire, and train the great problem solvers of the next generation. Three, flexibility, casual work environment with a hybrid work week and flexible scheduling. Four, benefits. We offer paid sick leave for candidates in certain states, future planning, 401k with company match, quality of life, PTO, and supportive leadership that gives you the work life balance you deserve, ease of transition, um, relocation bonus if it is needed. Please note that employment is contingent on the successful completion of a background check. And of course, you must be legally authorized to work in the U.S. They are unable to offer any type of sponsorships, including STEM, OPT, and H-1B. So, if that is something that interests you, you can go ahead and apply now. And those of you who are wondering what AOPS is, it is Art of Problem Solving. It's just abbreviated. Okay, moving on. So, I wanted to go into comicbook.com. They are hiring people for the weekends for um, editing for movies and TV news. So it does get into a bit of the company, um, what they're always on the lookout for, which is experienced writers and editors to join their team. These are fully remote positions that allow for flexible scheduling and opportunities in development and professional advancement. So you will compose engaging news articles with a focus on informing readers why the news matters, not just what happened. Work with editors to develop a unique angle or insight that will help our articles stand out from the crowd. Produce clean copy that is easy to edit, enjoyable to read, and free of typos. Develop extensive knowledge of major movies, TV, anime, or gaming franchises, studios, and other industry elements, and perform research as needed to ensure articles both reinforce our authority in the space and satisfy our readers. Follow editorial guidelines and adopt writing styles to cite voice with plenty of room for personal flourishes as needed. Maintain professional standards of communication with our organization. So, what you need to have is prior publishing experience in journalism or any other professional writing field, technical and or creative, a portfolio of past work for them to review. A degree and or certificate in English related education is a benefit but is not mandatory. Ambition, a passion for publishing, and a desire to help us connect with readers and grow our brand. As a news publisher that operates 24/7, availability in evenings and on weekends is a bonus, as are candidates who will be excited to hop on and help when big news drops. So, if interested, reach out to jobs@comicbooks.com, include your resume, area of expertise, preferred team, whether it's movies, TVs, anime, or gaming, and an answer to the following question. So here's the question: what are 5 topics you like to write about if you were to join the site? Then explain why you choose those specific topics. And then, of course, it says they are an equal opportunity employer. So I will be leaving the 2 links for these 2 roles in the description for you to go and apply to these. But that is all. Um, we've been here now for close to 12 minutes. I am actually working on a way to get the videos shorter so it's not dragged out, but it's when it comes to applying for jobs, knowing the description and what you need to qualify for, it is so important. But I'm gonna figure out a way to like cut the videos down so that can help you guys out. And I will always make sure to post links or maybe a PDF of where you can find that particular position to go read the descriptions and qualifications further and to apply for them. But that is all. We will catch you again next weekend for those industry specific roles in the food and beverage industry. That's all for today. Bye bye.